Hi guys, so for every 5,000 views we will do one of these videos, and for every 5 subscribers we will do one of these videos.
Yeah.
Of course it's the Angry Bird fight.
Now we are playing with Blackbird, Bluebird, Redbird, Whitebird, Terrence, Nigel, Big Redbird. So let's go. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go! Alex, team! Team! Never get to team with David and you never will. Well, sometimes you will. Oh! Yeah! Yes! Oh my god. Get him. Get him. Oh, punch! Oh, there was some punch. There was some punch.
Are you still team with Alex?
Yeah, I'm here.
Never team with me!
You see my friends? Oh, Prince is chucking the birds out. Right, let's go.
So yeah, for every 5,000 views we'll do one of these videos. So the next time will be when we've got 25,000 views, or when we've got 35 subscribers.
Yeah, I'm just going down here to get over
Alex, you're not team winner, team! Alex, team, please!
team! I'm team! Alex, team, please!
Yes.
Right, let's see which team I'll win. I'll probably which I'm not with.
Come on.
I'm not with you.
What?
Ow!
Bring them all up then, Dave.
He's alright.
So yeah, guys, we might be making a dodgeball series. Like a new one. Devin, over here.
And what? And we'll do new FIFA videos.
Whoosh.
FIFA. I never lost a fight.
Right, guys, that was the end of this one. So, the next time we'll be making one of these videos is when we got 35 subscribers, or when we have got 25,000 views. So yes, guys, please like and subscribe.